before I get into the directions of what I'm going to ask everyone to answer with the question that I'm putting up, is I want everyone to remember that anyone can build skill at anything they want to do. And some people are going to build skill faster than others, depending on what it is. I mean, some people are just born with maybe more talent that makes them easier to pick up on how to be good at playing a sport. And so they'll build that skill faster. But maybe you were born with a talent where it's easier for you to pick up on math and reading and things at school, and you can build that skill faster. And each one is okay. As long as you're giving your best effort and working towards getting better at something, you'll be able to build that skill. And it doesn't matter if other people can build skill faster than you, or you can build skill faster than them. What's important is you want to be the best version of you. So let's take a look at an easy example here that all of us have either been through or will go through. And I want to use E plus R equals O to look at what it means to build skill when it comes to tying your shoe. So I'm going to make this bigger, and we take a look at, press pause and look at the event. And the event's going to say, I can't tie my shoe. And so what is the outcome that I want? Well, I want to be able to build the skill of tying my shoe. Well, I could give that below the line effort or not give my best effort. And instead, I could just complain and say, it's too hard. I can't do it. Or I could just keep finding other people to tie my shoe for me so I never have to do it. Or I could just quit. Forget it. It's too hard. Well, what's the outcome I'm going to get? I'm never going to be able to tie my shoe. And I will never improve at tying my shoe because none of that is giving my best effort towards trying to tie it. So I could also give the response instead, the above the line response, my best effort of asking for help from someone else to see what part of tying my shoe can I do better. Normally, we get tripped up on one or two things within tying your shoe. And so you may ask someone, what is it I can do better for this? And then you practice that over and over and over. And then maybe you don't get it yet. So you ask for help again. Well, what am I still doing wrong? What is it I can do better? And then you practice over and over and over. And eventually you get to build that skill of tying your shoe. So, what I'm going to ask for you to do is I'm going to ask you to type in a response of something you had to work really hard at to build a skill, and something maybe you had to practice over and over and over again. And maybe it's something you failed at a bunch of times, but you were relentless and you never quit and you worked hard until you could get it. So I'd like to type in, and I'd like you to type in and give me some responses. What are some things you build a skill in that you had to give your best effort over and over again to be your best, to be the best version of yourself when it comes to whatever that skill was? I look forward to seeing all those different ones, and I look forward to being able to respond to each and every one of you.